To our channel, to my channel. This is Farm Synergy TV. We are about to show you how to spread fertilized catfish eggs in a kakaban. This is a kakaban setup. Kakaban is an artificial substrate. We have control. See, we'll have one video. You can go and watch it how to prepare this kakaban. We made a video on how to prepare this kakaban. If you want your spawning and catfish fry production to be successful, you have to use a kakaban. So we are using this kakaban, the setup. There's a video in our channel where we showed how to prepare this kakaban. So today we are going to show you how to spread eggs, fertilized eggs on this kakaban. We have a video already of how to strip these eggs from from a mature female broodstock. There's a video for this. You can watch it on our channel. There's also a video for how to remove the meal sac from the male, and there's also a video on how to fertilize these eggs. So all these videos are free for you to watch. You can go and watch them and learn from there. So here today we're showing you how to spread these eggs. The milk has already been put. We're about to spread them. So the water you're seeing inside is saline water. Right now the eggs are not closed up. So we're going to introduce some fresh water inside and stir so that the eggs can properly fertilize. The sperms can enter. We've already introduced the milk. So now we're introducing, and once you introduce this water, you see the eggs will become sticky because the fertilization is taking place. So that's what we are doing now. That's why you need to stir very well. Don't allow it to form colloidal particles or stick together. You turn it, stir it very well. Stir, stir, stir. For about 30 seconds. Then you spread on the kakaban. You can remove the water, excess water. So all these eggs you are seeing was gotten from one female, a 500 gram egg from one female. Our female roosters are very mature and very big, so and they have big eggs. They will give you good result. So they are now more than 3 years. Some are even 4 to 5 years. So the best range of female rooster between 2 and 5 years. So this is what we have in our farm. We have quality. That's why we're producing quality fingerlings and juvenile quality fries. So right now, I'm done with the stirring. I'm going to reduce the water. Easy for me to spread. So this I'm going to spread into 2 kakabans. Because the eggs are much, as you can see they are much. So I'm going to see this how it is spread. So you spread it gradually. Come this way, light winter. So we are spreading. Make sure they are evenly spread. We are not clustering it together. Spread them evenly. And spread them fast. Because I've already introduced fresh water inside, so that they will be able to stick. If not, some of them will start floating. If you don't do it fast, some of them will start floating because there's no place they attach themselves. So make sure you do it fast so they can still attach to the kakaban. this kakaban you are seeing, there's a net that covers it. So it's made with a net. As you can see, the eggs are resting on the net. It's a mosquito net. Make sure you use a net that is open enough but not too open to let the eggs pass through. And the eggs will rest on it. So from here we are going to the next kakaban. We're going to the next one. Okay. So you are spreading in the second kakaban. Make sure that the place you are spreading your hatchery is dark. Catfish fry, they don't like light. So I'm spreading in this one as well. Spread it evenly and fast. So this after 24 hours, you see the fries coming out, the egg hatching. But within 32 hours, we'll remove the kakaban. That's a day and a half. You remove the kakaban so that the eggs that have hatched will not contaminate the water. Because once your water quality is compromised, you might lose all the fry. So don't let the water turn milky. Milky color means there's a lot of anaerobic process taking place. And fungi are already forming, ammonia forming. So you need to, the best way to do it is to run a flow-through system for them. A flow-through. This is our hatchery, as you hear the sound of water running. You run a flow-through system to make sure the water quality is perfect. So that's it, we have already finished spreading the eggs. So as you can see, the eggs are already spread. This is how it looks. Spread, eggs are spread. Here is dark because you don't need light. So that's it. So if you are not yet subscribed, you do well to subscribe because it will help us to bring more contents like this to you and to other farmers. This is a very important update that we are bringing you, training, free of charge. This is what people pay a lot of money to learn. So you see the eggs are, this is a kakaban, these are set up. The other one we did in a concrete vat, but this is a plastic vat set up. This is where the drainage, the water outlets, and these are water inlets control. So make sure you watch the video of the previous how the catfish eggs are stripped, how we strip the eggs, and how we collect the meat from the male, and how it is fertilized. We have separate videos for all these processes. I also have a long video from live 1 hour video from start to finish of how to hatch successfully catfish eggs. I have a video of that, like 2 of such videos. One is live, one is a video that we made. So the other one is a video of 29 minutes. The other one is a video of 1 hour. The live one was 1 hour. So these ones are short ones you can watch and learn what we are doing. Subscribe, hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And let's keep food on our tables and ensure that there's food security in our nation and across the world. Farmers, great nation. See you in our next video.